Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to learn about perpendicular bisector and we'll learn a very important property around this. So let's first understand what a perpendicular bisector is. So let's say there is a line. One second. So let's say there is a line AB and let's say there is a point C, and this point is a midpoint to AB. So basically C is exactly in the middle of A and B. So if A and C is, let's say, 2 centimeter, then C and B is also 2 centimeter. Okay, so let's say there is a line AB and C is the midpoint, and if we draw a perpendicular line which is 90 degree to AB and which passes through C. So let's say this is the line and this is at 90-degree angle. So this line, let's say if I give it a name ABCD, so the line CD is perpendicular to AB. Along with that, line CD is exactly in the middle of A and B. So we call this line perpendicular bisector. So and this is called perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular because it is perpendicular to AB, and bisector because it's cutting line AB exactly in between. So line DC is perpendicular bisector. Now there is a property around this. It says that all points on the perpendicular bisector, like if I take, let's say I have taken these 3 points, so all points on the perpendicular bisector of a line, which line? AB. So all points on the perpendicular bisector of a line is equidistant from the endpoint of the line. So what is the endpoint? A and B, these are the endpoint. So this property says that if I take any point randomly, let's say I take this point E, so point E will be equidistant from A and B. So length of AE will be equals to EB. Similarly, let's say I take a point F over here. So the length of AF will be equal to the length of FB. So AF will be equals to FB. And similarly, if I take a third point, let's say G, so AG will be equals to GB. So AG will be equals to GB. So yes, that's it about perpendicular bisector. So I'll repeat one more time, that if there is a line AB and if there is another line which is perpendicular to AB and which passes through the midpoint of AB, which is C, then that line is called perpendicular bisector. And there is a property around it which says that all point, example E, F and G, so all points on the perpendicular bisector of a line is equidistant from the endpoints of the line. So these are the endpoints. Thank you.